Okay guys, it's upgrade time. Struggled to find a top box for me snap-on box you've already seen before, so I'm selling that and I've bought myself another. So I've got a few new tools as well, so let's have a look, shall we? So that's my old toolbox. Some of you will be familiar from my previous videos. It's completely empty now. I've already got my new box and I've already transferred stuff across. McLaren. It's the same bottom box as before. Like I said, I struggled to get a top box for it, so I've got this one, $18.50 off eBay, bargain. So let's have a look. I've also upgraded a lot of my tools. Majority of them now are completely snap-on, with the exception of these Blue Point socket screwdriver bits. Everything else in here is 100% snap-on, made in the USA. A big half-inch flex head, locking flex head ratchet, set of quarter drives, 3/8, and half-inch roll on these rails here. Impacts, these are brilliant. Universal joint sockets, I've got them in quarter and 3/8. I've not got them in half-inch yet, I'm still looking. The snap-on extensions in all sizes. Apart from, I don't have any 3/4, I don't have use for them. Impacts, I've got them in 3/8 and half-inch. Impacts long and short in quarter, 3/8 and half-inch. Impact universal joints, and the universal joint sets for normal chrome sockets. Extractors, impact bars, long Allens in metric and imperial. Never seem to use imperial much, or SAE, whatever it's called. Screwdrivers. Got some new posi drives, because I didn't have them before. All snap-on, apart from these is a Blue Point, brilliant for Jubilee clamps, etc. 6, 7 and 8mm. Little terminal tool set, pick set, you've seen all this before. Some miniature screwdrivers and offset ratcheting screwdriver bits. This has just got some punches in it, and if I can get this open, just a body panel set. I don't really use that. I bought it because I've needed to change a stereo upgrade in my BM. Pliers, cutters, etc. Tin snips, still some pipe wrenches, Blue Point locking pliers, vice grips I mean, Jubilee clamp pliers, and yeah, circlip pliers. Got some saws, another terminal set, just a big selection of screwdriver bits. I like to use some cheapest because I abuse them. Not with snap-on. Now they are some bloody small drill bits. They go down all the way to 0.3mm. Wow, that's small. File set, snap-on. We've got a like a jab saw set with an handle. These little saws, they come in handy. Some bolt crops. Welding gloves, Blue Point, just some cheap ass braking bars, snap-on, etc. And we've got a puller set there. Electrical drill. We've got the half-inch impact needed the lithium ion batteries really for that. It's a shame they don't do them for the 14.4 small one. The 1/2 inch impact, 3/8 impact, got the drill, got the reciprocating saw, little Dremel. This Bosch is brilliant. That's far better than the I'm not that impressed with the snap-on screwdrivers. They're alright, but the batteries are crap on them. Let's see that drawer. Miscellaneous drawer. Got a few little torches and knife, etc. Everybody's got to have a junk drawer. Some little bits and bats. Not very exciting in it. And bottom drawer, we've got my snap-on multimeter. We've got an insulation tester, some map gas for the blowtorch, pat tester, tone probe set. We've got an anti-static kit for working with electronics. I'm not a mechanic, guys. I do a lot of appliance repairs, washers, etc. So you'll see tools which don't belong with this. Snap-on spanners with flex sockets on end. We've got a low profile snap-on set. These are wicked. If the bolts are good, nuts and bolts are good, they're wicked. They're self-ratcheting snap-on spanners. Brilliant. Had to order them from America. We don't seem to be able to get them over here readily available. Got some flare nut wrenches in snap-on, and a selection of crow feet and stubby ratcheting spanners, solid heads. Not used them yet. Blue point ratcheting spanners. These are just awesome. The long offset spanners. Set of normal spanners there. 2 sets for nut and bolt, and the blue point ratcheting spanners as well. Torque wrenches, the tech wrenches. I've got these all in quarter drive, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. I'll not show them you all, one's just the same as the other. Allen socket set. Yeah, it's blue point, but I don't use it that often in my jobs, so it'll do. See some big ass hexagon sockets in there. These things are just awesome. Electric ratchets. I've got that in quarter drive and 3/8. Cheap set of impact extensions for whaling on. Got some bigger sockets, blue point. I don't use them that often, so I've got no problem with blue point, especially if you don't use them that much. Good enough. Drunk drawer. I've got some body hammers, munches. Anyone I think I've never been fed. Hammers, drill bits, etc. Not very exciting. Torques, T-handled torques. We have torques with the security hole in it. The long ones as well. I needed some long ones, and some metric Allen, T-handled Allens. A good selection of ratchets, soft handled and hard handled in quarter, 3/8, 1/2 inch, etc. Breaker bars, flex head, quarter drive, T-handled ratchets, some really small ones there. There's actually, I'm working it out, there's a £1.50 just in ratchets in that one drawer. That's English, obviously. Air tools, air rammers, bore guns, mini reciprocating saws, the big MG725, a lot of you'll know that one, and the 325, I believe it is, the 3/8 version. Air sockets in snap-on, and the little air rammer, inline air rammer. And that's about it, lads. Well, there's a brief look at top. I've got a 70th anniversary socket set which were given to me. The case for me interlace and test it, and the snap-on bore scope. Got a head torch and a USB microscope. Yes. You've got a brand new, never used it yet, re-threader set for when you've damaged your threads. That's all in the metric, imperial, etc. And a big old set of let me just see if I can open that one. The yeah, tap and die set, snap-on tap and die set. Well, that's it, folks, for now. Cheers. Bye.